This is a really quick video tutorial to show you how to work the split single crochet in US terms. As you can see, it's a really lovely little way to use colour work to create these little V's on your crochet. This swatch is all worked in single crochet and I floated the yarn at the back. So here you can see I've got my cream yarn floated at the back, I've got my teal under my index finger there. So I'm going to start to work a single crochet as normal. So I'm going to insert my hook into that loop. Now instead of yarning over with this teal, which is what I'd normally do, I'm just going to drop that to the back. I'm going to take, let's just ignore that float. I'm going to take this cream yarn that I've floated behind. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull that up. So I've got that loop of the cream. I'm just going to drop that and I'm going to pick up the teal again and complete the single crochet with the teal. So that's yarning over, pulling through, and then I'm just going to pull that tight, not too tight because you don't want the stitch to disappear. That's really it, but the kind of secret is what you do around it. So I'm going to work a normal single crochet in the next stitch. I'm just going to catch that cream yarn behind the stitch, and what that does, it sort of seals that cream yarn nicely either side of the stitch, so it stops it pulling tightly. So let's show you that again. So I've caught my cream yarn behind that stitch. I'm going to work another stitch. You can see here I've got three single crochets between each split single crochet. So the next stitch I'm just going to work a normal single crochet. And then the next stitch, which is the stitch before the slip stitch, I'm just going to catch that cream yarn again. So that is behind. And what that does is it just means that cream yarn is then ready to be worked into the split single crochet. So insert the hook, and then I'm just going to catch that cream yarn to yarn over and pull up a loop. Then I'm going to drop that again, and I'm going to yarn over with the teal. That teal is staying on my fingers, but how you manage that will depend on how you hold your yarn. Yarn over with the teal, pull through, and then I'm going to work a single crochet into the next stitch and just catch that cream behind it again. And then it just needs a gentle pull, and you can see I've created those little split stitches. It's a really nice way to do colour work. I really enjoy this because you don't get any legs from where the stitches overlap into each other. I just find it a really lovely, simple way to do it. Obviously, you are going to have the floats on the back of the yarn. There's my next one. So it's really ideal for projects where you're not going to see the back, although normally I'd chop these off and weave them in at the end, so I do a new strand of contrast yarn each row. Once I finish this row, I work another row of single crochet on top. The split single crochet, you always want to work them on the right side, so that the public side that you want to see at the end of the project. So I've worked a row of single crochet into the top of that colour work. I'm just going to do another quick row of the pattern repeat, and there we have your finished split single crochet. You can also find a written and photo tutorial at the link in the comments. I hope you find that useful and a fun way to add a bit more colour to your crochet.